Hi, welcome to Kegel8. This is the Kegel8 V For Men machine. It's a really powerful home use machine that will help you strengthen your pelvic floor. It's got clinical programs on it and it's designed to help combat overactive bladder, incontinence, fecal incontinence, and also erection problems. So it'll really help strengthen up your pelvic floor. Usually most men will use it using an anal probe. However, what we found is that quite a lot of guys really do not like using a probe. They don't feel comfortable with it, or they're not able to use a probe. So we've come up with a solution just for them. Here I want to show you how you can use the Kegel8 V For Men using sacral nerve stimulation. Now that's used by using these little sticky electrode pads here. So they're positioned right at the base of the spine. Now what happens with the sacral nerve is when your brain is telling your pelvic floor and giving your pelvic floor commands, it comes down the spinal cord through the sacrum into the pelvic floor. If your pelvic floor is weak or damaged, then sometimes the brain and the pelvic floor gets out of sync. So you start to have accidents. Your pelvic floor won't be as strong, you'll have bladder weakness, you might have bowel weakness, unable to control wind, those sorts of things. So by stimulating the sacral area on the outside with these electrodes, it helps to fire and trigger the nerves back into action, and it helps to reinvigorate the whole of the pelvic floor area. We do know clinically that if electrodes are implanted, there is between a 50 and a 90% success record in cases of fecal incontinence. But this is a way of treating outside of the body, remember, no surgery, so you don't have to suffer any of the surgical outcomes that you might have to with an implant. So these stick easily on the skin. A treatment once or twice a day, 15 to 20 minutes on the outside of the body to get the pelvic floor talking to the brain again and to get it firing and to make it strong. So if you'd really like to strengthen your pelvic floor and you're looking for solutions but you really don't want to use the probe that we supply, we do also supply the skin electrode pads, so you can use that. You can use it by stimulating the sacral area and reinvigorating your pelvic floor and regaining control of your bowel and your bladder. So it really is great. It's quite a breakthrough machine. It's easy to use and we're getting great success rates. So I'd really hope you think about trying that so that you can regain your confidence, regain the strength in your pelvic floor. Thanks for watching.